In this video, I explain difference between pressure relief valves and unloading valve. So on the left side, I mentioned the point of pressure relief valve, and on the right side, I mentioned the point of unloading valve. First difference is, so first point for the pressure relief valve, its inlet is its pilot connection, means inlet in a pressure relief valve is work at its pilot connections. So here you see these diagrams of the pressure relief valves. Okay, so here you see this inlet, and this inlet is work as a pilot connection. Pilot connection means generally pilot connection is used to operate the any valve. Okay, so this inlet is used to operate, means to on or off the valve. So here you see this inlet itself, means inlet pressure is increased about its preset value. At that time the pressure relief valve is open, means the pressure relief valve is set for the 10 bar pressure and this inlet pressure is 11 bar. Then what happened there? This oil from the pump is coming with these 11 bar pressures. Okay, then this valve is set for the 10 bar pressure and here the 11 bar pressure. That means the due to these inlet pressures the valve is operated. It is called as the pilot connection, means inlet itself work as the pilot connections. In unloading valve it has the separate pilot connection. Now here you see this image or a diagram of the unloading valve. Okay, this is the inlet from the pump, this is the outlet, and it is supplied to the reservoirs. Now here you see that a separate pilot pressure part is used. Okay, so from the some part of the hydraulic system oil is taken and it is supplied here, means due to these pilot pressures these conical poppet are move, or due to this moment the valve is on or off. It is called as the pilot connection. So in unloading valve here you see that the separate pilot connection is provided. Second point, pressure relief valve is set for a maximum pressure required for the operations of the system, means it is set for the maximum pressure. Means suppose in a system we are required a 10 bar pressure, so its pressure limit is set at 10 bar. Okay, and pressure of the oil is increased about a 10 bar, this valve is open and it supplied the oil to the tank or a reservoirs. The unloading valve is set for the minimum pressure required during the idle period of the system. Means suppose the minimum pressure required is the 6 bar. Okay, then suppose the pressure is reduced below the 6 bar, and that at that time this valve is opens and the oil is supplied back to the tank or a reservoirs. Third point, in a pressure relief valve it open when its inlet pressure increase above the preset that I already explained, that is set for 10 bar pressures, and the pressure of the system is increased above 10 bar, and what happen, this inlet is work as the pilot connection, so it's open the valve and oil is supplied back to the tank or a reservoirs. In unloading valve it open when pilot pressure increase above the preset value, means here the preset value is 6 bar and pilot pressure is increased above 6 bar, at that time they are open. Means both these valves are normally closed type valve. Okay, means in a normal condition both the valve are closed. So pressure relief valve is open when it's go to above the preset value, and unloading valve is open when it's go to the minimum preset value. Pressure relief valve is a safety valve which avoid damage to the systems and component due to the high pressure. Means suppose the system capacity is the 10 bars and the pressure of the oil is increased above the 10 bar, then what happened, that is a damage of the system is possible, components are the damage. Okay, so by using this pressure relief valve we are avoid the damage of the system, so it is work as the safety valves. Unloading valve is avoid the overheating of the working fluids, means the oils are not overheated. So we know that if overheating is done of the oils, then the property of the oil is destroyed quickly. So that are the number of reasons to avoid the overheating that I already explained in a chapter number 2, that is the properties of fluids and properties of the oils in the details. For that chapters I provide the link in a descriptions and as well as in a card. So it's avoid the overheating of the working fluids and it save the power of a greater extent. Means if we avoid the overheatings, then the oil is save the power, because we are required the less power for the pumping and for the another operation. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video, subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to the OHP as well as the other subject of the mechanical engineering. For OHP various link is provided in descriptions, and card. In a card means on a top right screen of your mobiles or laptop with the I symbols. In a card I provide the various link of the playlist. For other subject I request to visit the playlist of my channel.